My college buddy and I always thought someday we'd invent a product together. Well, we did it a few years ago, quit our jobs, and then we were on Shark Tank. We created AutoERASERS, the innovative instant car cleaning sponge.
We're proud to say the Sharks love how well our products work. We received offers from Kevin O'Leary, Mark Cuban, Lori Grenier, and Alex Rodriguez.
These are individually packaged, multi-layer sponges engineered specifically for every surface of a car. They're patented and are pre-moistened with a safe proprietary formula with no harsh chemicals. For the best value, head over to our website, AutoERASERS.com, to buy directly from us. You'll get an 8-pack bundle with our premium microfiber towel. Now, don't expect to clean your entire car with one of these. That's not what they're for. AutoERASERS are perfect for touch-ups. They're great between washes. We call them instant detailing sponges. On one side is a super soft chamois, perfect for sensitive surfaces like clear plastics, clear coat, paint, and more. The white side is like a magic eraser on steroids. It's an ultra-compressed eraser that removes some of the most impossible marks from your car's durable surfaces like rims, interiors, glass, and much more. It's a hexagon shape, so you have 6 corners to get into all those tight spots. Just like a pencil eraser, these naturally disintegrate as you use them. It truly is an eraser, so it's not going to last you forever. The secret to how they work so well is on a microscopic level. The white side has ultra-tiny scrubbers that remove blemishes without damaging your car's durable surfaces. For sensitive surfaces like paint with dried-on bugs, that's where the chamois side shines. And with our proprietary formula, it's the perfect 1-2 punch that cuts through all those impossible marks. Use very light pressure and just swipe the marks away. Other products out there, they require harsh chemicals and a lot of time to do this. But AutoERASERS are easy. They work great on windows, sap, bugs on bumpers, black marks, and how about interiors? Watch how easy they clean right up. These really work on all parts of your car. Just use the chamois side on those sensitive surfaces since the white side is slightly abrasive. Keep them in your glove box for touch-up emergencies on the go or in your garage so they're always there when you need them. Customers have told us how much they love AutoERASERS, especially for those marks that are usually so difficult to remove. The only time we receive negative feedback are when customers use the sponge with too much pressure. Again, like a pencil eraser, it will naturally disintegrate as you use it. If you start scrubbing too hard, the micro scrubbers in the sponge compress and stop working, and you'll ruin the sponge. Just swipe, don't scrub. So take a little stress out of your life and keep your car clean with our convenient AutoERASERS. Of course, you can buy multi-packs of AutoERASERS on Amazon. But for the best value, head over to our website, AutoERASERS.com, to buy directly from us. You'll get an 8-pack bundle with our premium microfiber towel. And you can also find us at your local AutoZone.